Hello everyone, welcome back to Satisfactory. Today I want to push the industrial manufacturing, move that to the next step, but I want to kind of backpedal just a hair, and we'll get this launched as we're sitting here.
Milestone reached. The manufacturer increases production complexity. A critical look at production line logistics and efficiency is recommended during integration. The truck allows for increased efficiency in transportation, automated or otherwise. New project parts enable progress to the next phase.
And yes. Now, I don't need to explore. I'm going to take this truck because there's a reason. Now, I've been going through, and as you see, that is the plate maker. It's kind of beefed up. The cable thing in the distance there above the exhaust pipe. And that building there is for encased industrial beams for now. This is really temporarily set up. But I want to get all the parts that are available to me kind of getting made. It may not be 100% efficient because I don't have access to like the Mark III miners and stuff like that. But over here, ooh, power slug. I took it completely wrong way. As you can see, I started to put it together, just blueprint slapping. Like, this is all temporarily. I will actually show the big builds I do once we have like alternatives unlocked and stuff. But some of these recipes are just trash. Like, the stock recipe is so expensive and inefficient. But this needs plastic. This is circuit boards. Needs plastic. So I'm gonna set a truck route, which is what this truck station is here outside is, and drive it over and back with that truck to deliver it. Just need somehow to put fuel into it. But we got limestone, there's 2 copper nodes here. I think this is a normal, yeah. But we gotta head over here, and I gotta hook up the copper to make the copper sheets, which is what this whole setup is. Produces 60, which is then merged, and then divide it into 3, which is 20 each, and that produces that will give me 30, and this will give me 30 in the same setup. And that will give me enough to produce 2, at least 2. Like I said, until we get different setups and different modes of transportation. Drones. Drones. But let's get this at least working. Put that there. Mark 3 to here. Oh wow, I'm surprised I got that. And that can go to there. Perfect. And that will at least start making sheets until I get the road made. Now we have a decent amount of concrete, because we gotta smooth out this road, I guess you can say. And I need a way to fuel it, which I think I might just make a road right from here. Shoot right across here. That might work. Kind of overtake this rock a little bit. Come on, work with me here. And up there, you saw the miner and stuff. It's just a really... I think it's just one. It's one assembler making black powder. That's literally the only thing it's making. Release the clicker next time. Now, can I get rid of this stuff with the chainsaw? I don't have any fuel. I put it all in the truck. Of course I did. No. There we go. That's what I wanted to do. That'll work. Can we do ramp by 2? Now this little truck might not be suffice enough to supply that with plastic. Perfect. Let's do 2 more. And we can do ramps. That'll work. All these gotta go. A little bit of this, a little bit of that. Now, can I get down there first try? And we're out of fuel. Interesting. No, I think I have a hard drive cooking. I do. Ooh. That is an excellent recipe. It takes 6 rubber and a little bit of fuel to make 12 plastic, obviously. We're looking at it right there. But there's also the opposite, recycled rubber. And it takes 6 plastic to make 6 rubber. I mean 12 rubber. So it's in cascading over and over and over again. It just doubles itself, but it uses half. Really efficient, really good. That was extremely loud. But we're gonna start that hard drive. Pick up these 2 things from the thumbnail. So this one is the plastic. So we're gonna do a truck station. You know, of course, I put it right where I need to drive. Of course I do. Slap it there for now. So, inputs there. Bring it on down. Now, the question is, can I use this stuff? Oh. I was gonna say, where did I get this stuff from? Can I use this as a truck fuel source? Is the question. I can. I don't need that. The rest of the stuff I'll keep. So, we're gonna replace this with a splitter. Okay, so it's actually feeding it. Perfect. Even better. That. I'll crank this up just a hair. Shove the rest of that in there. I can see the fuel is loading up. I'll let it get full. Now, can I record one shot this thing? Oh wow, it actually holds up to 200. So I want to get the main purpose of all this. A, we're gonna need them. I'm gonna get circuit boards made, which circuit boards go into computers. Imagine that. And we need computers to unlock Mark IV and everything else going forward. So, all part of it. So, start recording. Wow, we already used 5 coal pieces. Or coke pieces. And I tried, you can't use the coke in the steel recipes, unfortunately. The pressure is so intense doing a truck route, and I don't understand why. Maybe the larger truck will actually do it, but the thing is with the big trucks, the only way to do it is if I demonstrate it. The grip factor is horrible. Like, these can rip around the map a lot quicker and easier than those giant trucks can. The cargo haul is nothing in comparison, but it's just like it would struggle to go up that hill right there. And that's by design choice. Like, you can have the Explorer, the Doom buggy looking thing, do this. It would rip stuff up, but and we're going to wait here. And then make our way back. So far, so good. Kind of keeping off the throttle so I don't go bouncing off into the void. I really enjoy using these natural paths, though. It's pretty cool. Yes, I can just build up to the sky and just make a giant platform and never see this down here except to send raw resources up. But that's a kind of boring, if you ask me. The good news is I'm not running out of fuel. That was a worry of mine, that it would just chew through the coke. We're gonna try to follow so I don't baja off the edge again. And the cool thing is, I can, if I wanted to, I can have 2 of these trucks going on this route. I'm gonna add some more concrete there just to be safe. Alright, save plastic to seaboard. We're gonna hide it and enable autopilot. Was that set to load? If this isn't so bloody loud, it'd be a nice way to get back and forth. Oh, I need 50 rubber. Alright, well, I'm gonna ride this and make sure it does a full loop. Okay, so yeah, it works. Well, plastic, and off it goes. We're gonna grab some rubber. And build one of these. Oh yeah, we need some fuel. I can just do this. It has a mighty cargo space. It does. But it's just really, really slow. No, maybe it's better. Maybe I haven't really played with it since update 5. Unreal Engine 5. Well, it doesn't turn very well. See, it's just... I don't know. Lots of coal over here. 4 nodes. I have to keep that in mind. Alright, this seems to be actually handling it just fine. Ooh, ooh, little suspension sway there. Yeah, that's gotta go. Yeah. Yeah, I'm full throttle right now, but if I'd kind of take my time and feather it, yeah, this should work. This could work. Till it gets stuck on a bush. Now we're gonna clean up some bushes here too. Oh wow, that's actually making quite a bit. Quite a bit of lower one. Extreme clipping, but I don't feel like going up the hill. Cool. We can upgrade the explosives aspect of everything. But it having sulfur and coal? Should make some compact coal. Burns super slow. Well, I'm gonna need to make compact coal eventually. I want it for the jetpack. Get rid of all these grass and stuff like that. Don't need that much silica on me. But give me some gunpowder. Yeah, this should be... Why aren't you... Why aren't you moving it on? Okay. You gonna work this time? There you go. Now we're cooking. Look at that, we got 28 circuit boards already. Give me. Turn. Thank you. Yeah, the handling on this thing is like a 4 out of 10. It definitely performs better than what it used to. I will give it that. You know what, Mr. Bean? Logistics. Ooh, trains. It's also tempting. Really like the Mark IV belts though. Gas max, alternative. Even that's pretty good. Well, we're gonna need it to package fuel. Yeah, I guess we could spend some time and unlock a few things. I do have some rubber and plastic over here. I believe I have fabric in here.
Milestone reached. Gas masks and filter parts will ensure increased odds of survival in gas-based hazardous environments. Fixit Incorporated would like to extend the friendly advice to not forget to change filters regularly.
Now, do I have the ability to make fabric? I do. Mycelia and biomass. And biomass. No. Fabric. Don't think that's enough. Nope, I need a little bit more. That ought to do it. Get rid of the biomass and the mycelia. Gas mass. Now, where is the filters? Or do I have to buy those? Oh, it's only one ticket. I have tickets. A ticket. And we're gonna equip that. Not that. Put that away. Yeah, it's good. Cool. We can dive into the dust clouds now. What do we got? Steel rod. You know, that's actually not bad. And we have that concrete node over by there. So it's actually not bad. Add some plastic to the mix, and you get 5 per minute instead of 2. 1 steel ingot gives you 4 of those. I think we're gonna go with the rubber concrete. Sulfur. What do we got here? Noblisk? Yes, please. Equipment slot? Sure. And that we need 50 more powder. Which is a quick trip over there, but I don't feel like doing it right now. We do have an extra hand slot now, which is nice. Pod, a minute 40. What do we got? Need a little bit more motors, and a lot more wire. We can handle that. I think motors are over here. At 3,000 wire. So 1, 2, 3. Just replace that. That's the main stuff I want to upgrade to tier 4. But we will get there slowly. 50 seconds. I still gotta bring quartz over. Still haven't brought quartz over. There hasn't been a... Wait a minute. I have lots of black powder. Ooh. Yes, the nuclear deterrent. So we need smokeless powder. How do you make smokeless powder? Oh, you're back. Good. Guess what? Go for a ride again. Use more plastic.
Milestone reached. Fluids can now be packaged to allow for transportation via vehicle and conveyor belts. Additionally, highly improved biofuel can now be produced.
Ooh, I can make noblets. Noblets detonator. Wire and one of these. Nope. I need wire. So how do you... Oh, wire is way over there. Yeah, because this steel setup is bad. Really bad. Wire. I'll grab 3 just in case. So I don't have to come back. Whoop. I over jumped it. Detonator. Watch that won't count because it's not on it. Stinky be gone. I overshot that. It's a little glitchy still. Definitely need those getting produced. Ah, the fluid buffers. I forget how you make smokeless. I think it's in here. Pipe? No. Refinery. It uses heavy oil residue. In black powder. Interesting. Very interesting. We're gonna make a few more Noblas. Head back over. Just a few. We're gonna take this monstrosity. I'm gonna stop and grab some black powder, and we'll catch you back over at the refinery location. Alright, we are back here. So what we need is heavy oil residue. So if we put this here and pipe that into there. Give me this with a small container. Do it industrial. Smokeless powder. We also need to work on this. That's making fuel out of straight oil. This makes it out of the purple or residential, out of the heavy. So that's another thing we can do. Sorry, truck, you are extremely in the way. We have this, and I want to do this. Yeah, this is going to be pretty simple. Packager. Kind of want to have it separated. And then we'll have it get fed. By the plastic containers. Which is a constructor. This is like completely looking like garbage, but you'll get the point what I'm doing here. And we need a floor. Then go down underneath. You have that pump there. Put a valve so stuff doesn't flow backwards. Like you have a pump there. Actually, no, we'll get rid of the valve. Is it suffice enough? To get it moving? It is. Package fuel. And then we're gonna put a buffer, if we can. Into that. Not the most efficient, but we'll get there. That's going to be next episode, to set up fuel production. It's going to be a good time. This is very rudimentary. I will work on getting it better set up for next episode. But thank you all so much for watching. The support. The over 380 subscribers. That's crazy. Super crazy. But it's just, I'm speechless about it. But we got a long road ahead in Satisfactory. And it's going to be a good time. But until then, we'll catch you there. Later.